My soulmate just turned 24. That means he's 3 years older than me. That's okay. I like older guys anyway. He graduated from college? I wonder what he's majoring in. He got his first job? Wow, sounds like he's really got his life together. He got a girlfriend? I mean, that's okay. We haven't even met each other yet. No way, he's meeting her parents? Must be pretty serious. What, he got engaged? But what about me? She's not even his soulmate.
Please help me. I don't want to get married.
Wait, what? Can you hear me?